Apple AirPods Pro Lite without active noise cancellation coming in 2021. Apple AirPods Pro Lite could launch globally in early 2021, as per a new report. The Lite version will have the same form factor as the AirPods Pro, but will come without active noise cancellation, thereby allowing for a more affordable price tag, which could be much lower than that of the ANC-enabled AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro Lite could look and feel similar to the expensive AirPods Pro, with a proper in-ear fit unlike the regular AirPods, shorter stems, and earpiece controls with haptic feedback. Apple had originally planned to launch the Lite version in 2020 itself, but better than expected sales of the AirPods Pro had the company put these plans on hold. The Lite version will suit those looking for a proper in-ear fit, which is much more secure and noise isolating than the regular AirPods. There won't be active noise cancellation, which will help reduce the price by up to 20%, as per a source cited in the report. The Apple AirPods Pro was launched in late 2019, and is priced at 24,900 rupees in market. The true wireless earphones come with a wireless charging case and active noise cancellation, along with proper noise isolation and very good sound quality. The Lite version could offer practically all of these benefits, with the exception of ANC. The AirPods Pro Lite could be priced just a bit higher than the regular AirPods, but still considerably lower than the AirPods Pro. The report is based on information obtained by the elect that a local supplier in the country has been contracted to develop a system in package for the new earphones based on Apple's H1 chip. However, this could be a somewhat simplified version of the chip, which is present on the AirPods Pro, as well as on the recently launched AirPods Max over-ear noise-canceling headphones priced at 59,900 rupees in market. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.